Hi friends, this is Ramya from Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a homemade facial kit that you can do in just a few minutes. Few days back, a dear subscriber suggested that I post beauty recipes that does not require refrigeration, as she doesn't have access to a refrigerator since she's living in a hostel. This homemade facial kit can last well for days together without refrigeration, and you can do salon quality facial with it. Good quality facials cost a lot, but with this facial kit, you can get the best facial at the fraction of the cost at the comfort of your own home. This facial kit consists of a ready-to-use scrub, a massage cream, and finally a face pack. Before doing this facial, clean your face well with a mild cleanser to get rid of any dirt. Now dip a towel in hot water, squeeze out excess, and place it on your face till it loses heat. This will open up pores and will greatly help remove blackheads and whiteheads while scrubbing. This ready-to-use scrub, made with honey, rice flour, and turmeric powder, is an amazing cleanser. It removes blackheads and whiteheads effectively, and the best thing about this scrub is it does not dry out the skin at all. It leaves the skin soft and smooth, but it cleans the skin well. This scrub can be used by all skin types. Since I have used kasturi turmeric, this scrub does not stain the skin yellow. To make the scrub, take 2 tablespoons of rice flour in a bowl. Add a quarter teaspoon of kasturi turmeric powder to it. Finally, add enough honey to mix. Try to use raw organic unprocessed honey for best results. Now mix well to form a smooth paste. Make sure there is no moisture in the spoon or in the bowl you're mixing the scrub. Once mixed well, store the scrub in a bottle. To use, wet your face, scoop out little bit of the scrub and massage gently for a few seconds and then wash it off. After using this scrub, your skin will feel smooth, soft and clean. Like many, I have a huge weakness for products that smell amazing. This rose cream smells absolutely amazing. It has a beautiful smell of fresh roses and is absolutely a treat to use it. This cream will last well for 7 to 8 days at room temperature. This cream is made with rose water, aloe vera gel, and rose essential oil as a base. You can use either store-bought or homemade rose water. If you use store-bought rose water, this cream will last well for weeks together at room temperature. But please remember, most of the store-bought rose waters contain some form of preservatives. So please research well before buying rose water from the shops. To make the cream, take a tablespoon of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume in a bowl. Now add in a teaspoon of rose water to it. Finally, add in 3 drops of rose essential oil. The smell of this cream while I mix it is amazing. I haven't added any oil, but if you have extreme dry skin, add few drops of any unrefined oil that you have at home while mixing. To use, after using the scrub, massage your face and neck using this cream in upward strokes for 3 to 5 minutes. Usually, massages in the beauty parlor are done for long durations of time, but at home, do it according to your preference. After using this cream, wash it off and pat dry. The next step is applying a brightening face pack. This face pack brightens your skin tone well. This pack consists of sandalwood powder, licorice powder, and gram flour. All these 3 are wonderful in fading scars and blemishes. To use, all we have to do is mix it with water. If you store this face pack premix in an airtight box, away from moisture, it will last well for months together. For the face pack, take a tablespoon of sandalwood powder in a bowl. Add in a tablespoon of gram flour to it. Finally, add in a tablespoon of licorice powder, also called as mulethi powder in Hindi. Now mix well together. To use, take the required amount of this powder in a bowl. Mix well with water to form a smooth paste and use it as a face pack. To use, apply this pack all over the face and neck. Wait for it to dry completely before washing it off. If you have extremely dry skin, use milk instead of water in this pack. Try to do this facial regularly weekly once to keep your skin blemish free. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.